Video inventory at 46 Vicars Road in Chorlton and 21 9GY, 11th of November 2021 on behalf of Emma Hassan Limited. Now to the front of the garden, seasonal tidy required in places, although it's just autumn leaf fall. This video is going to be done in a two-part production, if you like. So we'll start just downstairs with the shed stroke small storage area to the outside, entrance from the outside and from the rear, just containing basically a lawnmower and a strimmer, gas meter and some pots of paint. Moving now to the actual property. It's an open plan, recently designed property, redesigned. This is the hallway overview. Entering through a wooden composite door, brushed aluminium handles, lock, glazed side panels fixed to the side, thumb turn lock also, clean condition. Ceiling's white painted plaster, drop light, unshaded, clean condition, with a working smoke alarm. And also one recessed spotlight which isn't working. Floor is tiled, prism style grey, black and white tiles with a doormat in front of the door. Tiles are in clean condition, in good order. The walls are white painted plaster with off-white painted skirting. Clean condition. You have exposed brick surrounding the doors, you can see. The walls are clean, good order, as are the skirts. Fixing fittings include storage cupboard containing the electric meter, consumer units, hanging garment rail fronted by two open or double doors, alarm panel, alarm sensor, upright rail or radiator, light switches, plug sockets, new post, balustrade, handrail, spindles leading upstairs, comes to that later, and a further light switch. Into the living room, to the front of the property and living room overview. Entering through a dark blue stroke grey painted door with brushed aluminium handles, white painted door frame, clean condition, small chip marks at the top of the door frame there as you can see, otherwise in clean condition. Windows again to the front, UPVC double glazed dark grey anthracite with two openers, no keys appear present, drop Venetian blinds ×3 and white wooden painted sills. Some small chip marks to the sill, you can see there. Just notice the key by the way to the right hand side. The window. Ceiling's white painted plaster, coving and 8 recessed spotlights, all bulbs working, ceiling clean and in good order. Floor is timber suspended floor, above this with a vinyl floor covering in grey. Clean condition, a couple of faint age-related scratch marks to the floor. Small dent there, about 1.5 meters, so in front of the radiator centrally. But nevertheless in good clean order. And walls are dark blue, stroke royal blue painted plaster with white wooden painted skirts in clean condition. A couple of pin marks to the wall where previous fixtures have been. Drill hole there, but nevertheless in good order. Fixtures and fittings include alarm sensor, light switch, radiator with the TRV, cabling, phone sockets ×2, cable TV box, double plug sockets, further double plug sockets to the left hand side, alcove with a fitted series of shelves. Now to the open plan kitchen, living and dining area. So you'll enter from the front room through a painted plaster reveal to this area which I'm guessing would be a living area more than a dining area. We also have a painted plaster reveal from the hallway. It's open plan, as you can obviously tell from the pictures. So no doors, so to speak of. We then have the windows. Windows are two large sliding double glazed patio style opening doors, anthracite frames with two openers complete with keys, clean condition. Ceiling's white painted plaster. Series of 8 recessed spotlights, in fact 10 recessed spotlights, 2 spotlights not working. And then in the extension, in extending this property extension, we have 2 more recessed spotlights, 2 downlights, 2 further downlights to the kitchen area, and 2 further recessed spotlights also in the kitchen area. Clean condition. Just something to note, settlement cracks where the structural beam is, and we have a large glazed Velux style panel in the roof, or 2 of these in fact, to offer light to the kitchen and the dining area. The floor, it's the same floor as in the living area. The lounge area at the front is grey vinyl covering on this timber floor. Some small marks to the floor, age related, the property has been in use. A couple of chip marks in certain places, and as you go to the extension you find it's a solid floor. Again, further scratch marks to the floor, age related as expected. Accessing and entering the house to and from the garden. Walls, white painted plaster with off-white painted skirts where visible. Just to note, a couple of small marks to the wall where fixtures have previously been, but in clean condition and good order. Also to note, the extension, we have a feature wall, exposed cavity style brickwork, no skirting board, but in clean condition. You can see we're just following the wall round, again in clean condition, no issues, to the actual kitchen area, where we will see that there is backsplash panelling, upboard backsplash panelling behind the sink. You can see the grout's clean and in good order. I will move on to various fixtures and fittings, starting at the door or the open area from the hallway. So we'll turn right, so we'll just look across. We've got the series of shelving like in the front room, painted white. Cables for devices, presumably TV, plug sockets, and again the same at the bottom. Continue round with a plug socket in the wall there. The exposed brickwork, we have 2 plug sockets, an upright radiator with a TRV control. Facing the chimney breast, we have a further radiator with a TRV, light switches, and in the kitchen area, an upright radiator. Now we'll move on to the kitchen area, concentrate on here. So we have this island in the centre, it's clean condition. In the island, containing various drawers for storage, etc. All appear to be in clean condition and good order. Facing that, we have working surface, laminate working surface, further drawers, waste recycling, wall mounted units, under unit lighting. We have a mini sink in the middle, ceramic style sink, and this tap itself is a zip mixer tap. There is a service due on this in February. further storage, base unit storage, wall mounted storage. These are push button, push door cupboards, Valent combi boiler. As you can see, good storage, all accessible. Series of plug sockets, push into the units. Kitchen appliances, we have a 3 ring halogen style hob, clean condition, it's unnamed. Facing that we have the cooker, the oven, unnamed, however as you can see it's in clean condition. Above that the microwave, it's IKEA the microwave, so presumably the rest of the items are. An integral dishwasher, again unnamed, clean condition, and the integral fridge freezer. Appears to be unnamed but in clean condition. Finally, the extractor above the hob in clean condition. 2 lights, I'm not sure where the switches are for the lights. Into the utility room overview. Entering through a grey wooden painted door, brushed aluminium handles, white painted door frame, clean condition. Windows white UPVC double glazed. 1 opener, no key present, granite's down sill, clean condition, ceiling's white painted plaster. 4 recessed spotlights, 3 working, 1 not working, clean condition. The floor is again this vinyl covering, clean condition in grey. There's a doormat between the kitchen and this utility room. Walls white painted plaster with off-white painted skirts in clean condition. Settlement crack near the door. As you can see, the external door, all in good order. Fixed and fittings include. Storage. Further stainless steel sink with chrome mixer taps. Working surface. Again, further wall unit storage and base unit storage. Light switch, isolator switches, and onto the washing machine. It's a Hoover 7 kilo link washing machine. Just checking the specification there. Soap drawers clean, inside the drums clean. Onto the downstairs WC overview. Entering through a sliding white wooden door with white painted, sorry, it's not white painted door frame, white painted reveal with a chrome rail. Ceiling's white painted plaster, 2 recessed spotlights, clean condition. The floor is the same as the hallway floor, prison tiling, clean condition. Walls white painted plaster with off-white painted skirts, clean condition. Walls, as mentioned there, sorry. Fixture fittings include mixer, ceramic mixer, basin with chrome tap, toilet, wall mounted mirror fronted bathroom cabinet, bin, toilet brush, toilet roll holder, extractor isolation switch, and extractor fan. I'll move out quickly to outside, just this door, the same as the front door, composite door with brushed aluminium handles and lock. Quick look to the side, outside, and to the rear. Barbecue table, decking, fenced, turfed, seasonal plants in the garden. You hear the birds tweeting as well. This ends part 1 of the video inventory.